Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engine News with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. The new RFC, the Angular team proposes to replace the element_ref type with a new type, the DOM_ref. Element_ref encapsulates the native DOM element, especially UI libraries, which require direct access to the DOM, heavily depend on it. According to Jeremy Elborn, the switch is necessary to achieve advanced hydration techniques like partial or streaming. The community received the RFC with certain reservations. State of JavaScript released their results. Vue took over Angular's second place in terms of usage. In the category of interest, Angular rose from 20 to 23%. TypeScript 5.5 was released and will be available in Angular 18.1. We will get inferred type predicates. A function checking against a certain type and returning a boolean based on that is now automatically defined as a type predicate. It means whenever you use that function on a union type, TypeScript will reduce the amount of types of the union type according to your function. When we use the effect function, especially in the application development, we usually want to be in control of the signals that are being tracked. Alex Rickerbo, Angular framework lead, explained on GitHub that the effect function was originally designed for so-called rendering effects where implicit tracking is necessary. Explicit tracking would be a good fit for the so-called business effect. At the moment, the effect function is not ready to support explicit tracking in Angular code. And that's it. Wishing you a nice week. See you in the next episode in 2 days. Goodbye.